Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the last part of lesson number 14, India location, geological structure and physiography. Today I am going to explain the types of soil. Soil, yesterday in the last video, you have studied a soil. What is soil? The thin layer on the crust of the earth is called a soil. How many types of soils are there? There are 6 types of soil. They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. So how many types of soils are there? 6 types of soil. Which are they? Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. First one is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil can be divided into 2 types. That is a khadar and a bangar. That khadar soil means it is formed when a river is flowing through many places. It carries a fertile alluvial soil, soil, and then it deposits on the banks of the river. That is that a khadar soil. So the soil formed due to fresh alluvium, that is called the when a river is flowing through many places, it carries soil particles and deposits on the river banks. That is called a fresh alluvium deposit. So the soil which is formed due to this fresh alluvium deposit is known as a khadar soil. As the soil is formed due to river floods, it is found mostly near the rivers. So where are this type of khadar soil found? Near the rivers. Why? Because it is formed due to river floods. And generally this soil is sandy. So what is meant by that khadar soil? The soil formed due to fresh alluvium deposit is known as khadar soil. And where they are found? They are found near the sea. Why? Because this soil is formed due to that river floods, and generally this soil is sandy. Then what is a bunker soil? That a soil containing old alluvium in the upper valley region of a river is called a bunker soil, and it is a sticky and has a dark color. That alluvial soil is found in many parts of the country. So what is bunker soil? Soil containing old alluvium in the upper valley region of a river is called a bunker soil, and it is a sticky and dark in color. And alluvial soil, they are found in many parts of the country, and their fertility also differs from place to place, but generally it is a very fertile soil. And this type of alluvial soil is found in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. So alluvial soil can be divided into how many types? 2 types. Which are they? Khadar and Bangar. And what is a Khadar? The soil formed due to the fresh alluvial deposit is known as a Khadar soil. And where they are found? They are found near the sea. And why? Because they are formed because of river floods. How they are looking? They are sandy. Then what is a Bangar soil? That a soil containing old alluvium in the upper valley region of a river is called a bunker soil. How it is? It is a sticky and has a dark color. And which soil is a very fertile? Alluvial soil is a very fertile. Where they are found? They are found in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. Then black soil. The color of the soil is a black. That is why this soil is called a black soil. And where they are found? This soil is found in western Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu. And it is the gift of peninsular plateau. And it is a very sticky and fertile. And it can keep up the water for a moisture for a very long time. And it is useful for the cultivation of a cotton. That is why it is also known as a black cotton soil. And it is also known as a regular soil. So black soil, what is its color? It is from the name only, it indicates that its a color is a black. And where they are found? They are found in western Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and that Tamil Nadu. That it is the gift of a peninsular plateau. This soil is very sticky and fertile, and it can keep up water for a very long time. And this soil is very favorable for the cultivation of a cotton. So it is known as a black cotton soil, and it is also known as a regular soil. Then red soil. Red soil where it is found in the igneous and metamorphic rocks. Yesterday you have studied the types of rocks: igneous, that stratified or sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So how that igneous rocks are found due to the heat in the interior of the earth. Metamorphic rocks, that's igneous and that sedimentary rocks change their form, and a new form of a rock is formed, that is a metamorphic rocks. So generally where that red soils are found, they are found in the regions of igneous and metamorphic rocks, and it is a red in color because of ferrous and other humus contents. Humus contents means and that soil which is formed by the decay of plants and vegetations. That this soil is porous and fertile. Porous means that matter which absorbs water and air is called having minute, that holes is called porous substance. Substance having that minute holes absorbs water and air is called porous and fertile. This soil is seen in Goa, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Jharkhand. So where this that red soils are found, they are found in the regions of igneous and metamorphic rocks. Why it is a red in color? Because of a ferrous and other humus contents. And this soil is a porous and absorbs water and fertile. And this soil where they are found in means this type of soil is found in Goa, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Jharkhand. Then laterite soil. This soil is formed because of excessive erosion by rain. That means during the rainy season, due to heavy rainfall, that large amount of soil particles moves from one place to another. So this soil is developed because of that excessive erosion by rain. And due to heavy rain, the humus content from the top soil descend into the lower strata, which is called leaching. So because of that rain, that means the top soil, it comes down, and that is called rainwater washes away the upper layer of the soil. That is called a leaching. As the soil contains a less humus, it is a less fertile. We told that a humus means a soil which contains a decay of plants and other vegetation is called a humus soil. So this soil contains a less humus. That is why it is a less fertile. And red sandstone it is a red in color because it contains a red sandstone and iron and aluminium. And so why this laterite soil is also red in color? Why it is a red in color? Because it contains that red sandstone, iron and aluminium, and that erosion of these rocks also result into its red color. And this type of soil is found in mountainous regions of Deccan, Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha, and some part of northeast. So laterite soil, how they are formed? Because of excessive erosion by the rain. Because of a heavy rain, the humus content from the top of the soil go down in the lower strata, and that is called a leaching. And this soil contains a less humus, that is why it is a very less fertile. It is and it is a red in color because it contains a red sandstone, iron and aluminium, and erosion of these rocks also result into its a red color. Where are these soil found? They are found in mountainous regions of Deccan, Karnataka, Kerala, Odisha, and some parts of northeast India. The next one is a mountain soil. Mountain soil, they are generally found in the mountain regions. And in the mountain regions where they are situated in India, in the northern part of India, and in the eastern part of India. So this type of soil, from the name only, we can see that this type of soil is found in the mountain region. And the humus content is more in the mountain region, and it receives a heavy rainfall, and dense forests are also there. That is why it contains more humus, and it differs from place to place. So this type of soil contains more humus because of a forest, and also it although it differs from place to place. And such a soil on that Shivalik range in Himalayas, it is less fertile and less developed. This soil is sandy and porous, and it does not contain humus. That means in Shivalika, it is a sandy, porous, and does not contain that humus. This type of soil is found in mountain regions of Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Himachal Pradesh, and Jammu Kashmir. Then desert soil. Desert soil, they are found in the desert regions, arid and semi-arid regions. That means dry regions. In India, where are the desert regions? In Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana. So this type of soil where they are found in the dry and semi-dry regions of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana. And this type of soil has a more that salt has a more salty substance, and they have a more alkaline and less humus contents. In desert regions, that plants are not growing. That is why humus content also very less there. Agriculture is not possible in desert soil, but if we are providing irrigation facilities, we can cultivate the soil. So this soil where it is found in the arid and semi-arid regions of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana. And this soil has a more content of alkaline and less humus content. And agriculture is not possible, but we can do agriculture with the help of irrigation facilities. So this lesson is completed, and I am giving you some questions as assignment. You have to make that new notebook for that geography, that is interleaf book, and these questions answers you have to write. And when you have to give the submit the notebooks, that I will inform you later. And the answers of these questions, you for that you go through the slides, go through my that slides, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All the answers are there in my lessons. What is meant by physiography? First question. Second one, physiographically, India is divided into how many divisions? Then which are they? Then write a short note on northern mountainous regions. Any 6 points only you have to write. Then write a short note on archipelagos. Which passes are located in Himalayan system? Then what is rock? Which are the types of rocks? Then state them and give a detailed information. Then what is soil? State the soil formation process. Then what is meant by minerals? Classify the minerals. State the types of soils of India and give a detailed information. Then what is a regolite? All these answers means answers to this question are there in my slides. Go through the answers and then write the answers in the notebook.